Danu is a reserved Celtic modern goddess, considered the divine ancestors of the Tuatha Danann, children of the Danu. Gaels is an extinct consensual Celtic language spoken by the Gaels in ancient Gaelic, modern France, parts of Italy, Switzerland, etc., before being replaced by Latin. Oishi refers to a supernatural race in Irish folklore, often called the people of the mounds, who are powerful, magical, and sometimes dangerous beings, descendants of the ancient gods, the Tuatha Danann, or spirits of the dead, dwelling in the burial mounds, hills, and forests, and interacting with humans through offerings, changelings, or special events like Wild Hunt. They are known as the Good People, or Fair Folk, but are fiercely protective of their land, with iron and fire serving as a powerful deterrent. The Gaels were a collection of Celtic tribes inhabiting Iron Age and Romania, mainland Europe, primarily in the regions known as Gael, modern-day France, Belgium, parts of Switzerland, Germany, and Italy. End quote. Jotnar are the powerful ancient race of giants in Norse mythology, native to realms like Jotunheim, often rivals of the Aesir gods and key figures in creating and destroying the cosmos, with diverse forms ranging from monstrous to beautiful, and roles from paranormal creators, Ymir, to tricksters, Loki, and powerful adversaries. Well, often called giants, they are a complex, chaotic force, sometimes human-sized, embodying nature's wildness, and their interactions with gods involve conflict, marriage, and the loom threat of the Ragnarok. A burning glass or burning lens is a large convex lens that can concentrate the sun's rays into a small area, heating up the area and thus resulting in an ignition of the exposed surface. Burning mirrors achieve a similar effect by using conflicting surfaces to focus the light.